So, kakatapos ko lang mag-aral ng I think 5 topics. And right now, I'm going to the city to buy what I need. A few days, may pre-board kami. Bibili lang ako ng oats, tapos babalik ako dito, tapos mag-aral na naman ulit. And dapat, magbabalik ako early as much as possible. Dapat hindi na ako ano ba? Yeah. That's it. Siguro mag-watch tayo ng mga possible white polo. Kailangan ko ng white polo. Because it's pre-board nga. And for the board examination is coming September 21, 2020. So I'm gonna wear these shoes. Yeah, that is from the Ukay. I'm done. Wait na me. Two days before pre-board. Let's go. Early in the morning. Yeah. So, hihintay na ako ng polo shirt.
Kape. Sino ha?
Sige pa. Mag-jog tayo today. Kaya gusto ko lang. Yeah. I'm going to Esplanade right now. Punta ako sa Esplanade today. And mag-jog. Malamang. Alam bang ginagawa doon? Yes, mag-jog ako doon. Kasi it's been how many days na? Yeah. Hindi pa ako nag-jog kasi doon na siguro. Parang warm up na lang ngayon. Okay. Last pabalik na ako. Isang ikot lang kasi itong Esplanade na to. So, let's go. Very illegal pala yung mag-vlog. Pero yung sarili mo naman yung tumatakot sa'yo na mag-vlog. I don't know. Pero hindi naman siya illegal. Pero, weird. Ang weird lang siguro na may hinahawakan ko camera paangat. Tapos, kinakausap mo yung sarili mo. And right now, yeah, I'm just thinking, okay naman, wala naman akong inapaakang tao. Tapos, wait lang, hinihingal ako. Kasi, nagtry ako mag-plank in public. Like, yeah, I did it. May video ako, wait. medyo maliwanag na. And yeah, ang tagal ko na hindi nakapag-jog. But yeah, yes, portal papuntang Encantadia. So balingyo bro, ako lang yun is mag-overthink. Sometimes go walking, jogging, no? Very good. This is a reminder to myself that no matter what pressure you're feeling right now, you got this. And pagkatapos ito, you will celebrate and remember the reason why you're doing this, because you want your parents to be proud and you want to give them back what they have done to you. So, I woke up late today. 9 na ata ako napagising. Tapos, yung ginawa ko, yun lang yung ginawa ko. And yeah. But yun, nakaisa video ako for Gen Ed today. And madami akong natutunan. Medyo, magiging busy ako making flashcards right now para pag September, meron akong igaganahin. Actually, madami na ako nagawa, pero hindi ko lang sila makuha dahil sa busy sa time. And all I need is discipline na talaga para mabasa ko sila lahat and ma-familiarize ko lahat ng concepts. So, ayun. Report sa tomorrow. Kasi tayo na ulan today. Basta naman ako ng ulan. Pero look at guys. Look at this. Look at that. May Jollibee. Actually may Chicken Joy pa doon. Pero gusto ko lang yung spaghetti guys. May naghatid na kay mother. And then yeah, naisipan niya na ibigay sa akin. Oh, do I deserve this? Yes, I deserve this. I don't know what to feel right now, but tomorrow is gonna be our first day of pre-board. So, maraming sets of exams siya, but tomorrow, meron 3 ata na set of exams. But the next day, meron na naman. So, parang tuloy-tuloy na siya after tomorrow. Parang tuloy-tuloy na siya. So, yun yung sitwasyon ko today. Very, yeah. Guess what time is it? Guess what time is it? Wala na kaso, dala na siya gani sa Ranta. Isan ko ni kay Sir Joel.
Pero laban mo? Serius?
Lepas ke sana.